Many aspiring YouTubers struggle to reach 1,000 subscribers, not due to lack of talent or equipment, but because of a fundamental oversight in their approach. The journey often starts with excitement, but as growth feels slow, many creators lose momentum and eventually give up. Creators often miss defining their purpose before they start, which is crucial for long-term success. Without a clear plan, creators find themselves lost, lacking a content calendar, discipline, and identity. Beginners often focus on the wrong aspects, like equipment and algorithms, instead of understanding their channel's purpose. Your purpose influences every aspect of your channel, from content style to audience engagement. When faced with low engagement, remembering your initial motivation is crucial to persevere. Reflecting on personal experiences can reveal the importance of having a purpose to anchor your creative journey. Taking a moment to reflect before creating can lead to more meaningful content and a stronger connection with your audience. Once your purpose is clear, everything else falls into place, from strategy to content ideas.